Hello and welcome back to our lessons. In this video, we are going to discuss one by one each of the comment auto reply campaigns configurations. So this is the comment auto reply campaign that we made from our previous video. So let's edit this. And as you may recall, we did not set any configuration. We turned them all off. What we only did was add the campaign name and our generic message. Now let's test what the Enable Autolike feature does. So what I'm gonna do is enable this feature and then confirm the changes. And after that, let's go to the Facebook post for this comment auto reply campaign and do our test. As you may recall on the previous video, we need to change to our Facebook personal profile in order to interact with our page, because if we interact by default, which is using our Facebook page, then the comment auto reply feature will not work because the comment auto reply feature only automatically replies to Facebook personal profile. That's why you need to make sure that we use Facebook personal profile here. Now that we are using the Facebook personal profile, let's add a test again. So let's say test number 2 and let's see how this works. Alright, after refreshing the page, we now receive the comment auto reply, and also as you can see, the comment that we recently created have been liked by the page. This is because we have configured our comment auto reply to automatically like all of the comments created on this post. So if we go back to our campaign configuration, you would remember that we have enabled the auto like configuration here. Now let's discuss another feature, the enable one comment per user. So what this feature does is if you enable this, then our comment auto reply will only ever reply to a specific user once. So whenever you enable this and confirm the changes, and if you use the same user during the test, example, I'm gonna use this specific Facebook profile and I am going to send a test again, let's say test 3, what would happen is this user or this Facebook profile will not receive any comment reply anymore. This is because our campaign have already sent a reply to this specific user. That's why this user will not be able to receive another automated comment from our campaign. That's what happens when you enable the one comment per user configuration. Now, let's try another configuration, the enable second level comment reply. So what this configuration does is it allows our campaign to reply to a second level comment. So what is a second level comment? It's best to show you when we test on our post. But before we test our post again, make sure that you disable the one comment per user feature, because if you enable this, we won't be able to receive a reply from our campaign. Because as explained earlier, if this feature is enabled, then our comment auto reply would only reply to a specific Facebook user once. And if the system detected that this campaign have already replied to that user, then the system will not send any more comment auto reply. And that is not beneficial when we are doing testing. That's why when you are testing, always disable the one comment per user feature. Now, after disabling the one comment per user feature, let's confirm the changes and go back to our post. What is a second level comment reply? So take for example this comment reply. This is a reply to a specific comment, and if we reply to this, then this would become a second level comment reply. Again, when doing testing, make sure that you are interacting using your Facebook personal profile. So let's change the way we interact with this post and change it to our personal profile, and then we are going to reply here. Example, this is a second level comment reply. A second level comment reply is a reply to an existing comment reply. Okay, so let's enter. Alright, I have already refreshed the browser, and as you can see, we did not receive any reply from our campaign because our campaign is not set to reply to a second level comment reply. But if we enable the second level comment reply configuration here, so after enabling, we can confirm, then we should receive a reply even if the comment is a second level comment. So let's go back to our Facebook personal profile when doing testing, and let's copy this and let's try to add another second level comment reply by replying to an existing comment reply. So let's name this as, this is a second level comment reply test 2, and then hit enter, and then I'm going to refresh my browser. Alright, so after refreshing, we already received the reply to our second level comment test 2. This is because we have already enabled the second level comment reply configuration.